Well, hello. So, me and Richard are out here at Sawnee Mountain. We're going towards Indian Seats. It's a beautiful day outside. So, we pretty much said that we're gonna go hiking.
Here we are.
And here we are.
Beautiful.
It's a beautiful day. Temperatures are nice, no clouds. It's a perfect day for hiking.
Beautiful.
We just discovered the South Mine entrance, and this is one of the entrances where they would hunt, or not hunt, but they'd go after gold at the Sawnee Mountain. Obviously it's caved in and they've closed it off, but it's still pretty cool to see. And yeah, I think there's one more north entrance near the top of the mountain, so we're gonna go and see if we can find that one as well. From the top. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Richard, what's your opinion?
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Look how beautiful that is. So, thoughts for today. What do you think? The trail? Pretty good one?
Awesome. I love it.
It's not a hard hike.
The view is just beautiful.
The view is fantastic though. All right, so this is the end of the day for us.
Great day.
Great day. We went hiking. We are now at
Lake Lanier.
Lake Lanier. I think it's Longwood Park.
Yeah.
And it's a little bit windy, really windy. Oh, it's blowing me back. I'm just joking, it's not that windy. But we went and grabbed some lunch, and just, it's beautiful out here. It really is. The weather, I know it's a little bit windy, but it's beautiful. So this is Lake Lanier at Longwood Park. And I don't know if you can see all the way in the back the Blue Ridge Mountains, but what do you think, Richard? Pretty nice, eh?
Beautiful. This is gorgeous out here.
I could stay out here for hours.
Great day.